Hi guys, I am Young and you can call me Vivian as well. And now I'm 21. And today, this video was made to share about my tips, or how can I say, just the ways that I've learned pronunciation, English pronunciation before. And remember that I follow American accent, so it's really different from British accent. And anyway, I am now just sharing, so I am not kind of like expert or professional about English. Particularly here, we are talking about pronunciation. So I think maybe I gonna have some mistakes. I hope I will not, but if I have, please comment so that we can help each other to improve our English, especially pronunciation. So let's get started. So now we're gonna begin with vowel. And the first vowel sound is a sound and a sound. It's quite similar, right? But I will give you some examples so that you can see how different they are. So the first example is dad and dad. Dad, it means father, and dad, it means already died, no longer alive. So before I also pronounced dad, father, is just like dad, so it's not correct. Actually, it's dad. If you find it difficult to pronounce a sound, I think you can still pronounce a sound but you think about a sound. It's just between a and a. It's a a. It's like dad. So dad and dad, different, right? So we will move to another example. Is bad and bad. Bad, bad. Bad, it means not good, and bed is the furniture that we sleep on. I think you know it. So before, I also pronounce bad. It's just bad. So now I changed. And the next example is land and land. Land is the surface of the earth, and land to give something for someone. Like I give you money, I lend you money. So land and land. And the final example is that tan and tan. Tan is like a brown skin. Tan skin is brown skin, and 10 is number 10. 10, 10, different. So now I'm gonna summarize all the examples so that you can see it like more obvious. First, dad, dad. Bad, bad. Land, land. Tan, tan. So that's all. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you next time.